In this video, I'm going to show you how to make giant peanut butter cup cookies, because who needs them regular sized? For this recipe, you're going to need 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of peanut butter. You can use either the crunchy or the creamy kind, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 cups of sugar, a half a cup of butter softened, 1 egg, and 16 mini peanut butter cups. Cut each of the mini peanut butter cups into fourths. Now, using your electric mixer, combine the softened butter, sugar, and peanut butter together until they're creamy. Now add the egg and vanilla to the batter and mix thoroughly. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, and salt together. Now combine both mixtures together. Drop the dough by 1/4 cup measurements on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, placing 3 cookies per sheet. Now push the peanut butter cups into the dough, flattening each cookie slightly. Bake the cookies in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees for 15 to 17 minutes or until they're slightly golden around the edges. Remove from the oven and allow to cool on the baking sheet for 1 minute. Now place the cookies on a wire rack and allow to cool completely. I love peanut butter cups, and these huge cookies are so good. If you do try to make these, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.